So in the last video, we saw about the classification of drones. Now let us discuss about certain few examples how the agriculture drones are used. So based on the agriculture drones, they have actually classified into flat wing drones, rotary wing drones, and the parachute and balloon drones. So when we talk about the first drone, the Precision Hawks Lancaster, so this drone actually is used in a small fixed wing drone and particularly used for agriculture, surveillance, and imagery services. And it has the technical specifications like it has the cameras which covers 500 acre in a 45 minutes flight period. And the Lancaster platform is going to be 4 cross 750 hertz CPU with the real-time embedded processors. It actually interacts with Wi-Fi, Ethernet, Bluetooth, USB, and many. So when we speak about the Swiglet cam, so this is also another small flat wing drone. So how the farmers use this is based on the topology, soil top, soil type variations, and how does the crop grows. This and all can be checked with this particular Swiglet cam. So what it is actually going to do with its technical specification is it is a very small drone with 80 centimeter wingspan, and it actually weighs about 1.2 lb, and it can fly for 30 to 35 minutes. So the third one is going to be the EB. So as the name fetches, it is going to be a flat-winged, fully autonomous small drone. So when we talk about the technical aspects, it is powered by lithium batteries, and it is a very light drone weighing just 450 grams. So if you can imagine, 450 grams is going to be very, very less weight, and the flight hour per endurance is going to be 45 minutes, and the payload is going to be 0.15 kg. So this EB can withstand speeds of 12 to 15 kilometer per hour. And the next one is going to be Wavesight. So this is a multi-purpose flat-wing drone, mainly for uh, capturing the aerial scouting of farmland and the crops at different stages. So this is actually launched by using a company called Catapult. And when we speak about the technical specification, the wingspan of Wavesight is going to be 7.5 feet, and length is 4.5 feet, and the weight is again 20 lb. And the next one is going to be Crop Cam unmanned aerial vehicle. So in Crop Cam is very sleek, small, and lightweight agriculture drone that can be actually fitting into a suitcase, whatever we carry for a travel purpose. So the technical aspects is going to be 60 kilometer per hour, and it can actually withstand what is that speed of 30 kilometer per hour in the atmosphere. And the next drone is going to be the Trimble UX5 agriculture drone. So this drone is again a flat wing drone that flies closely to canopy, and technical aspects is it flies at 80 kilometer per hour above the crop fields uh, on the predetermined flight path, and it has actually the flight endurance of 15 minutes. So it is actually used for adapt for high speed aerial imaging. And the last one is Agribotics Hornet drone under the flat wing drones. So this Agribotic is used for precision farming, and it is a very low cost drone. So this Hornet drone is a fully autonomous during the takeoff and landing. So the ground control station with computer connectivity is also possible here, and it is mainly for the imaging system with camera GoPro Hero camera. That is, it has 4 cameras which will actually have a high quality lens to capture the pictures. So now we are going to discuss about the rotary wing drones. So among the many drones used for agriculture, this is actually has a slight weight of 80 to 90 kg per unit. So in the last flat wing drones, we saw about 450 grams, and think of how 80 to 90 kg it is going to work out. And it was actually produced by the well-known company all of us knows, it is Yamaha Motor Company of Japan. And the technical aspects is going to be it is a rotocopter with a payload of 24 to 28 kg, and the overall height is 108 centimeter and width is 72 centimeter. It has two containers, mainly for carrying a liquid and for the seeds. So when we talk about the Intang drones, so this drone is actually a Chinese design drone, which is actually helps in farmers in the agrarian regions of China. So it has been widely tested in China for these wheat, rice, cotton, and fruit plantation. So the technical aspects, this flight weight, including pesticide, is 15 kg, and its altitude ranges from 0 to 1000 m above crop. And the next one is Venture Outrider and Venture Surveyor. So these copters are highly versatile drones that is operated above the crop fields, and they are useful in monitoring the crop fields by close shot of crops. And the technical aspects is it has an overall dimensions of 83 cross 83 into 24 centimeter, and it weighs actually 3 kg per unit. And the next one is going to be the Enso Mosaic quadcopter. So it is actually used for agriculture fields, which has the NDVI of natural vegetation and monetary progress. So this is about 67 centimeter with a takeoff weight of 3.7 kg, and it actually supports the payload of 8 kg. So the third classification is going to be the parachute and balloon drones. So here we have the drones called as SUSI 62 UAV. So particular type, only type of parachute type drone. So here this drone is actually used in Germany for crop protection zones, and it actually moves in an autonomous manner by collecting the images and information about the crop's water status. And the technical aspects is it is made of steel, and it is 62-meter cube in size with a payload of 5 kg for locating the sensors. And it has two-stroke IC engines that meets a small runaway over a cliff. And apart from this parachute and balloon drones, flat winged or rotary drones, we have also the subclassifications like seeding, canopy and growth, crop protection drones, crop monitoring drones, harvesting drones, data drones. So for various purposes, these drones are used.